Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Level Up podcast, the place where we help you improve your English one step at a time. I'm your host, Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Hello, English Level Up family.
Sarah, you look very serious today. Do you have a big plan?
Oh, Alex, I don't have a plan. I have a problem. A big, annoying problem.
Oh no, what happened? Did you lose your wallet?
No, I lost my words.
Your words?
Yes, listen to this. Last week, I watched a movie. I learned a beautiful new word. It means very, very happy. It starts with E, or maybe O? Ugh, I forgot it completely.
Ah, I see. You learned a word, you understood it, but now it is gone.
Exactly. It's like my brain has a hole in it. I feel like a goldfish. Do goldfish have bad memories? I think I have a goldfish brain, Alex.
Alex, please relax. You are not a goldfish, and you definitely don't have a bad brain. Actually, forgetting is good.
Forgetting is good? Are you crazy? I want to remember English, not forget it.
Let me explain. Imagine your house. Every day, people bring you flyers, advertisements, old newspapers, and junk mail. If you keep everything, what happens to your house?
It becomes a mess. Garbage everywhere.
Exactly. Your brain is the same. Every day you see thousands of things, colors, faces, numbers, noises. If your brain remembers 100% of everything, it will explode. So your brain is like a smart cleaner. It deletes things that are not important.
Oh, so my brain thinks English vocabulary is junk mail? That hurts my feelings.
A little bit, yes, because you only looked at the word one time. Your brain said, Sarah didn't use this. It's not important. Delete it.
Okay, I understand. So I am not stupid. My brain is just too efficient at cleaning.
Correct. So today, in this special episode of English Level Up podcast, we are going to learn how to trick your brain. We will teach your brain that English words are VIP guests, not junk mail.
I love that. VIP guests only. So what is the first secret?
The first secret is called context, or I like to call it the Velcro method.
Velcro? Like the sticky stuff on my shoes?
Yes, imagine a ping pong ball. If I throw a ping pong ball at a wall, what happens?
It bounces off. It falls on the floor.
Right. A single word like ecstatic, that means very happy, by the way.
Ah, that was the word. Ecstatic.
Yes, if you just learn ecstatic equals very happy, it is like a smooth ping pong ball. It hits your brain and it falls off. There is nothing to stick to.
So how do I make it stick?
You need Velcro. You need hooks. In language learning, the hooks are context. You must connect the word to a situation, a feeling, or a picture.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, let's take a simple word, expensive.
Expensive. Okay.
Don't just write expensive in your notebook. I want you to close your eyes. Tell me something that is expensive for you.
An iPhone 15.
Good. Now imagine you are in the store. You look at the price tag. It says $1,500. How do you feel?
I feel shocked. My heart hurts a little bit. I hold my wallet tight.
Perfect. Now say the sentence with that feeling.
Wow, this iPhone is too expensive.
Again, with feeling.
This iPhone is too expensive.
Great. Now your brain has hooks. Hook 1, the image of the iPhone. Hook 2, the shock feeling. Hook 3, the store scenario. The word expensive is now stuck to these memories.
I see. So I shouldn't learn lists of words.
Never learn a list. Lists are for shopping, not for learning English. Always learn phrases or sentences.
Okay, no lists, sentences, and feelings. That is rule number 1.
Now, are you ready for secret number 2?
I am ready. What is it?
Be a movie director.
Ooh, like Steven Spielberg?
Yes. Many students try to remember words by translating. They see apple, they think quả táo in Vietnamese. This is slow.
I do that all the time. Is that bad?
It's not bad, but it's an extra step. We want to connect the English word directly to the image.
How do we do that?
Let's try a new word. Exhausted. Do you know this word?
I think so. It means very tired?
Yes, very, very tired. Now, Sarah, I want you to direct a short movie in your head. Why are you exhausted?
Okay, let me think. I just ran a marathon, 42 kilometers.
Good. Visualize it. You are sweating. Your legs are shaking. You can't breathe. You fall onto the grass. The sun is hot.
Okay, I can see it. I can feel the sweat.
Now, in your movie, look at the camera and say the word.
I am exhausted.
Excellent. Listeners, I want you to try this too. Wherever you are, close your eyes for a second. Think of a time you were very tired. Maybe after work. Maybe after studying English. Feel your heavy eyes. Now say it. I am exhausted.
It feels different when I imagine the picture. It feels real.
That's the power of the brain. The brain loves pictures. It remembers pictures 10 times better than text. Okay, let's take a break from the theory. Let's play a game.
I love games.
This is the English Level Up Challenge. I will give you a boring word, and you have to use the Velcro method or the movie director method to make it sticky.
Challenge accepted.
Word number 1, delicious.
Okay, boring way. Delicious means tasty.
Too boring. Make it sticky.
Okay, I am imagining a slice of pizza. The cheese is hot and melting. I can smell the pepperoni. I take a big bite. This pizza is absolutely delicious.
Fantastic. I'm hungry now. Okay, word number 2. This one is harder. Frustrated.
Frustrated. That means annoyed when you can't do something.
Correct. Now direct the movie.
I am sitting at my computer. The internet is very slow. I click and nothing happens. I click again, nothing. I want to throw the computer out the window.
Yes, that is the feeling.
I am so frustrated. My internet is so slow.
Perfect. You see, Sarah, you didn't just remember the word, you remembered the emotion.
It's actually fun. It's like acting.
Learning English should be fun. If it's boring, your brain will press the delete button. Now we have one final secret. This is the most important one. This is the key to long-term memory.
Is it magic?
It's science. It's called spaced repetition.
Spaced repetition? That sounds complicated.
It's very simple. Sarah, if you want big muscles, do you go to the gym for 10 hours in one day and then quit for a month?
No, that would kill me. I would go for 1 hour, maybe 3 times a week.
Exactly. Muscles need rest and then exercise again. Your memory is a muscle. Most students study vocabulary like this. They study 50 words on Sunday for 2 hours. Then they don't study Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then next Sunday they study again.
That is literally what I do. I study hard on weekends.
And that is why you forget. By next Sunday, the jungle has grown back. You have to start from zero. Here is the rule. Frequency is better than intensity.
Frequency is better than intensity. Can you translate that into Sarah language?
Sure, many short times is better than one long time. Instead of 2 hours on Sunday, I want you to study 10 minutes every day.
Just 10 minutes?
Yes, but you must do it on day 1, day 3, and day 7.
Why those days?
It's the forgetting curve. Day 1, you learn the word. Day 2, you start to forget it a little. You review it quickly. Your brain says, "Oh, he used it again." Keep it. Day 7, you are about to forget it again. You review it one more time. Now your brain says, "Okay, this word appears every week. It is a VIP guest. Lock it in the permanent storage."
So I need a schedule?
Yes. Don't worry, you don't need a complex calendar. Just use a simple rule. The morning review. Every morning, while you drink your coffee or brush your teeth, look at the words from yesterday. Just for 2 minutes. That's it.
I can do that. I drink coffee every morning.
Perfect. Associate the review with the coffee. No review, no coffee.
Hey, that's strict. But I like it. It builds a habit.
So, Sarah, let's recap what we learned today on the English Level Up podcast. How do we stop forgetting words?
Okay, let me try to summarize. 1. Don't be a goldfish. Forgetting is normal, but we can fix it. 2. Use Velcro. Connect words to context, sentences, and feelings. No lonely words. 3. Be a movie director. Visualize the situation. See it. Feel it. 4. Spaced repetition. Study a little bit, but every day. 10 minutes is enough.
You got it. You are an A+ student today, Sarah.
Yay! I feel much more confident now. I'm going to go home and review my ecstatic and exhausted movies.
That sounds like a great plan. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to the English Level Up podcast. We hope this episode helps you keep your vocabulary sticky.
Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment. Tell us, what is the hardest word for you to remember? We want to know.
Yes, let us know. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and level up your English.
Bye, guys.
Goodbye.